So children, here is our second session of MTG NCERT at your fingertips physics from the lesson units and measurements, which will be very helpful for NEET and JEE aspirants. So here I discuss the questions, question number 26 to question number 52 in detail. So please comment if any doubt is there or if you need like more detailed calculation for some of the problem, so that I can discuss that, children. Please share my video to your friends. Thank you. Question number 26, children. Which one of the following instruments is not used for the measurement of length? Atomic clock, vernier caliper, screw gauge, spirometer. So this is very easy one. You all know vernier caliper, screw gauge and spirometer is used for the measurement of length. Whereas atomic clock is used for the measurement of time. So our answer is A, atomic clock. So atomic clock is used for the measurement of time. Now question number 27. A new unit of length is chosen such that the speed of light in vacuum is unity. What is the distance between the sun and the earth in terms of the new unit if light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to cover this distance? So you all know the formula, children. S is equal to CT, where C is given as speed of light in vacuum, which is unity. On time, T is given as 8 minutes 20 seconds. And you all know the SI unit is in seconds, so we need to convert the whole thing into second. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 8 into 60 plus 20, which will give you 500 seconds. So the distance S equal to 1 multiplied by 500. So the answer is 500. Very easy question, children. So one thing what you have to remember is change the time into seconds. Then directly substitute in the formula S equal to CT and you will get the answer. So here the answer is option C, 500. Light year is light emitted by the sun in 1 year, the time taken by light to travel from sun to earth, the distance traveled by light in free space in 1 year, the time taken by earth to go once around the sun. So what is a light year? The answer is option C, children. Everything looks same, right? So be very clear with this definition. Light year means the distance traveled by light in free space in 1 year. Okay, that is known as light year. The distance traveled by light in free space in 1 year is known as light year. So the answer is option C. Now the next one, light year. Light year is the unit of distance. So just now we saw, no, light year is nothing but the distance travel. So light year is the unit of distance. So option A. Many children usually make mistake and they will say intensity of light. Be very clear, children. Light year is the unit of distance. Okay. So what is 1 light year? 1 light year is nothing but 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. This is known as 1 light year. So just remember this, children. Maybe for some other question they may ask you what is 1 light year by giving different options. So the answer is 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. So here light year is the unit of distance. Next one, question number 30. How many light years Alpha Centauri away from the Earth? So how many light years away? It is 4.29 light years away from the Earth. So just remember this number, 4.29. And question number 31. Which one of the following methods is used to measure distance of a planet or a star from the Earth? So which method we can go? Echo method, parallax method, triangulation method, none of this. So this is also very easy. Parallax method is used to measure a distance of a planet or a star from the Earth. Question 32. Which of the following properties of laser beam can be used to measure long distances? It is very intense, it is highly monochromatic, it is on unidirectional beam of light, all of this. And you know children, A, B, C, these points are the properties of the laser beam. So the answer is all of these. Option D. The next one. The distance of the moon from the earth is about 60 times the radius of the earth. So we need to draw the figure to understand this problem. So here is our earth and here is the moon. And this is the radius of the earth, RE. So we are using the parallax method to measure the distance. The distance of the moon from the earth is about 60 times the radius of the earth. So the distance is 60 RE, the distance from earth to moon. What will be the diameter of the earth as seen from the moon, approximately in degrees? So what is the formula for the diameter? L equal to R theta. So L is nothing but the diameter of the earth. Here it is 2RE. This small r is the distance between the earth and the moon, which is 60 RE theta. So we want what is theta. So bring 60 RE to the other side. So we will get 1 by 30. So theta is 1 by 30 radians, because this formula L equal to R theta, theta is in the radians. So for changing this radians into degree, easy way is remember this number children. 1 radians is 57.32. The other conversion it will take so much time. So when we are writing the exam, even timing is very important. So my advice is remember the relation between the radians and the degree. 1 radian is 57.32 degree. So what will be 1 by 30 radians? So 1 by 30 radians will be 57.32 divided by 30. So when you do the division, you will get 1.91, which is approximately we can say 2 degree. Okay, so hope you all are very good in division. Otherwise I can show that here because it is decimal point. So we can do like this: 1 time 30, 27.3, so which is 9 time. As here there is a decimal point, you need to keep a decimal point here. So 270, then 32, then 1 time. So whenever you do like this division, you can stop when you get the 2 decimal point. So 1.91 is approximately 2 degrees. So the answer for this problem is 2 degrees. So just remember the formula L equal to R theta, where L is the diameter of the earth and R is the distance between the earth and the moon. So this you have to imagine this as a part of the circle, arc length. You know L equal to R theta is the formula for arc length. Okay, so you should know how to relate that formula to find the distance between the moon and the earth. And 1 radian equal to 57.32 degree. Remember this. It will be helpful for the conversion of the radians to degree in easy way with less time. Now next question. The sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 seconds. The distance of the sun from the earth is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. What is the diameter of the sun? So first you should know the formula for the diameter of the sun. D equal to alpha into D. This is the formula for diameter of the sun. Now distance of the sun from the earth is given by D, which is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Means this is the distance of the sun from the earth. So here is our earth, here is the sun, and this distance is 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Now what they are asking? They are asking what is this diameter of the sun? Okay, like D equal to alpha D. So here sun's angular diameter is given alpha equal to, this is nothing but angular diameter, and you should remember this. 1 second is 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radians. So just write in a separate paper, children, what are the numericals, like what are the numbers you have to remember. 1 second equal to 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radians. So what will be 1920 seconds? So 1920 times 4.85 into 10 power minus 6. So then it will become radians. So when you multiply, you will get the answer 9.31 into 10 power minus 3 radians. So what is this? This is alpha value in radians. So now you know alpha and you know D. Substitute in the formula. D equal to alpha is 9.31 into 10 power minus 3 and D is 1.496 into 10 power 11. So when you multiply, you will get 1.39 into 10 power 9 meter. So let me say you some steps how to do this multiplication. So first you need to take care of the 10 powers, children. So 10 power minus 3 plus 11. So which will be 10 power 11 minus 3 is 8. Now how to multiply these two numbers? Forget the decimal point. Take only the numbers and you multiply. Okay. So when you multiply, I'm just doing it with the calculator. 1496 times 931 is 1392776. So now you count, children. Here 3 decimal point, here 2. So total 5. So from the last 5. Okay. So now we have 13.92776 into 10 power 8. But the usual scientific form of representing the answer is there should be only one number before the decimal point. So what we need to do? We need to multiply by 10. So when you multiply by 10, this will become 1.3. So 10 power 8 will become 10 power 9. This is how we get this answer. So maybe you know this already, children. Okay. So whenever you do the decimal point, no need to panic. It is very easy, children. Just take care of the power. Then multiply the number without decimal point. Then count the decimal. Then put it. And don't forget the answer should be in the scientific notation only one number before the decimal point. Okay. Then only you will get the answer from the given options. So the answer here is 1.39 into 10 power 9 meter. That is the diameter of the sun. So here the concept is again the arc length, L equal to r theta. The same concept you have to apply, depends on your situation. So now the next one. What is the length of the arc of a circle of radius 30 centimeter which subtend an angle pi by 6 with the center? So before question we just applied it. Here it is directly they are asking related to the circle only. So you know the arc length L equal to r theta. Okay. So here what is theta? Theta is given as pi by 6. Then what is r? R is given as 30. So L equal to theta into r. We can multiply these two. 30 into pi by 6. So remember, children, this pi is 3.14. 3.14 divided by 6. So we can simplify little one time, and 5 6 are 30. Then 3.14 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 1 5s are 5 2 7. 3 5s are 15. Then from 2 decimal point. So this is the answer. So 15.7 centimeter. Option D is the correct answer. Now next one, the order of magnitude of the diameter of the earth. So this is very easy, no children. Diameter of the earth is 1.28 into 10 power 7 meter. So what is the order? Order is the power of 10, the radical power of 10. So the answer here is 7 because it is 10 power 7. Now the next one, how many wavelengths of krypton 86 are there in 1 meter. So this one again you need to memorize, children. So the answer is option B. This is one important question, so better take a note. What are the things you need to memorize? So write this also in that note, so that before entering the exam hall you can revise it. Now the next one, the ratio of molar volume to atomic volume. The ratio of molar volume to atomic volume for 1 mole of hydrogen is. So they are asking what is the molar volume and what is the atomic volume. So what is the molar volume? Volume occupied by 1 mole of an ideal gas at STP is known as molar volume. Volume occupied by 1 mole of ideal gas of STP is known as the molar volume. So the molar volume of hydrogen is 22.4 liter. Again you have to memorize this also, children. So for converting liter to meter cube, you need to multiply by 10 power minus 3. Now the radius, the size of hydrogen molecule is 1 angstrom. It is given. So the size means the diameter. So we need only the radius. So the radius of the hydrogen atom is 0.5 angstrom. So again for converting angstrom into meter, I have to multiply by 10 power minus 10. Again this you need to memorize, children. Angstrom to meter conversion you need to multiply by 10 power minus 10. This you know. For converting liter to meter cube you have to multiply by 10 power minus 3. Now atomic volume formula. Because we need to find the ratio of both. So atomic volume is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube multiplied by Na so 4 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 and r is 0.5 into 10 power minus 10 the whole cube, and the Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. So when you do this full calculation you will get 3.15 into 10 power minus 7 meter cube. So what we have done is the atomic volume. So the question they are asking is what is the ratio of molar volume to atomic volume. So let me continue it with some other color. Molar volume by atomic volume. Molar volume is 22.4 into 10 power minus 3 divided by the atomic volume is 3.15 into 10 power minus 7. So when you do this division you will get the answer 7.1 times 10 power 4. If you want this full calculation, children, please comment in the comment box so I can show you the full calculation. Here just to save the time I'm just writing the answer, hoping that you all are very good in this division. So STP means what? Standard temperature and pressure is defined as 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. So how this 22.4 liter came? At STP 1 mole, that is 6.02 into 10 power 23 representative particles of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liter. That is how the molar volume is 22.4 liter. So at STP, 1 mole of any gas, it is not only for hydrogen children, 1 mole of any gas occupies 6.02 into 10 power 23. 1 mole means of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 liter. That's why here we wrote molar volume 22.4 liter. And I am repeating again, it is not only for hydrogen, it is common for all gas. Question number 39. If the size of bacteria is 1 micron, what will be the number of it in 1 meter length? So you should know this, children. 1 micron is 10 power minus 6 meter. So means what? 10 power minus 6 meter one bacteria need. Okay, the size of one bacteria is 10 power minus 6 meter. So in 1 meter length, how many bacteria can accommodate? So take this 10 power minus 6 to the other side. So we'll get 10 power 6. 10 power 6 is nothing but 1 million. So the answer is 1 million. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 40. Astronomical unit is the distance between Earth and the Sun. One astronomical unit is equal to, so this you should know, children, you have to memorize. One astronomical unit equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. But if you see here, children, everything is in kilometer. So we need to convert this into kilometer. So of course, as you know the number, you can easily choose the answer. Answer is 1.496 into 10 power 8 kilometer. So don't get confused by we have only 10 power 11. Be careful with the unit also, children. Here it is kilometer. So the answer is option A, 1.496 into 10 power 11. Sorry, 1.496 into 10 power 8 kilometer. Now question number 41. The ratio of the volume of atom to the volume of the nucleus is in the order of. So the radius is given. You need to use the formula for volume and find the volume. Then you just divide. That's it, very easy. So the radius of the atom is given as radius of the atom is 1 angstrom. Already we have seen this conversion, you should know. So which is nothing but 10 power minus 10 meter. We need the volume. Volume of the atom Va equal to 4 by 3 pi Ra cube. So 4 by 3 into pi times 10 power minus 10 cube meter cube. This is for the volume of the atom. Now next one is the volume of the nucleus. So you should know the radius of the nucleus, children. As I told you again, you take in your note what are the things you have to memorize. So radius of the nucleus Rn is 1 Fermi. 1 Fermi is again 10 power minus 15 meter. So as we know the radius, now it is easy to find the volume. Volume of the nucleus Vn equal to 4 by 3 pi r n cube. So 4 by 3 into pi into 10 power minus 15 cube meter cube. So now we need to find the ratio of both. So volume of atom divided by volume of nucleus, which is given by 4 by 3 times pi into 10 power minus 10 cube divided by 4 by 3 times pi into 10 power minus 15 the whole cube. So this and this will get cancelled, and 10 to the power of minus 10 power 3 is minus 30, and this is minus 45. So then take minus 45 up, so it will become plus 45. So the answer is 10 to the power plus 15. Okay children, so this is one very important question. You should know the radius of the atom is 1 angstrom, which is 10 power minus 10 meter, and radius of the nucleus Rn is 1 Fermi. We have seen already one more question came, no? What is the equivalent of 1 Fermi, which is 10 power minus 15 meter, and when you do the calculation you will get the answer 10 power 15. That's the option B in our question. Now next one, question number 42. The ratio of 1 micron to 1 nanometer. This is very easy, no children? So you know 1 micron. 1 micron is 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Then 1 nano is 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. So the ratio will be, they want micron to nano. So 10 to the power of minus 6 meter by minus 9 meter. So minus 6 plus 9, which will give you 10 to the power of 3. So the answer is option A. Then question number 43. Which of the following conversion is correct? 1 curie is 3.7 10 power 10 second minus 1. 1 barn is 10 power minus 25 meter squared. 1 quintal is 100 kg. 1 liter is 10 power minus 3 meter cube. So here the answer is, which is incorrect. So 1 curie is, this is correct. 1 quintal is 100 kg, you know, and 1 liter is 10 power minus 3 meter cube, you know, it is very easy. So option B is the answer, because 1 barn is 100 Fermi square, which is 10 power minus 28 meter square, because 1 Fermi is 10 power minus 15 meter. So 1 barn is equal to 10 power minus 28 meter squared, but they are giving us 10 power minus 25. So that is the incorrect option. Now question number 44. Measurement of mass. The device used for measuring the mass of atoms and molecule is, which is used, not the spring balance, not the torsional balance, not the common balance. The answer is mass spectrograph. Then question number 45, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding the mass? Regarding the mass, it is a basic property of matter. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The mass of an atom is expressed in U. All these are correct. It depends upon the temperature, pressure or location. So this is totally irrelevant, no children, how the mass will be dependent on these things. So the answer is option D. Next one, question number 46. One unified atomic unit, 1U. One unified atomic unit is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Again, make a note in the part what are the things you have to memorize, children. So the answer is option B. Next one, 10 power minus 3 gram is called, very easy, no children, milligram. So the option is B. Now question number 48. If the value of force is 100 Newton and the value of acceleration is 0.001 meter second minus 2, what is the value of mass in the system of units? So the formula which we are going to use is F equal to ma. So we need mass, so F by A, where F is 100 newtons and the acceleration is 0.001 meter second minus 2. So the answer will be 10 to the power of 5 kg. So this is the option. So let me explain you the calculation part, children. Actually it is very simple. Anyway, let's see. So 100 is in the numerator and the denominator, how I can write? I can write like this, right? Because it is 0.001, there are 3 decimal point. Then so up I have 10 power 2, down I have 10 power minus 3. So this minus 3, when it goes up, it will become plus 3. So the answer is 10 power 5. So this is how this 10 power 5 is coming. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Now question number 49 is to match lifetime of an excited state of an atom. Again, all these things you need to memorize, children. So please make a note in that paper where you are writing the things to memorize and stick it somewhere in your bedroom so that you can memorize it very easily. So the answer for the first one is 10 power minus 8 second. Average human lifespan is 10 power 9. Age of Egyptian pyramid is 10 to the power of 11. Age of the universe is 10 to the power of 17. So S, R, Q, P. So option A is the correct answer. All these things, it is from our memory only, children. So please memorize and make a note on that paper. Next one, 1 second is defined as how many periods of Krypton clock or cesium clock? So the answer for this is option D. The second is the duration of many periods of the radiation corresponding to the transition between two hyperfine levels of the ground state of the cesium-133 atom. So 1 second is defined as, it's a big number, no children, 919263170 periods of cesium clock. Light from the sun reaches the earth approximately in how many seconds it is reaching? 5 seconds, 50 seconds, 500 seconds, 0.5 seconds. So surely it won't reach us in 5 seconds or 50 seconds or 0.5 seconds, not at all possible. So the option is 500 seconds. How this 500 seconds is coming? The time taken by the light to reach the earth from the sun is 8 minutes 20 seconds. This again you have to memorize. So 8 minutes change to second. So this is 480 plus 20. So this is how 500 second answer is coming. So you should know this, children, because we are all in the earth and we are enjoying the sun's light. So how much time it takes? It takes 8 minutes 20 seconds. Really super fast, right? So this is how the answer is 500 seconds. Now question number 52. The distance of a galaxy from the earth is of the order of 10 power 25 meter. The time taken by light to reach the earth from the galaxy is, so it is about the light. So you know that speed of the light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter second minus 1. So time taken by the light to reach the earth from the galaxy will be T equal to 10 power 25 divided by 3 into 10 power 8. So again we need to deal with the radical powers. So 10 power 25 minus 8 will be 10 power 17 by 3. Okay, so roughly it is 3 into 10 power 16 seconds.